when the inspector comes to check. As you cannot have any no lots, which is a trade name, touching any part of the actual cable that's sheeted with black or anything. It would be a defect. So the reason why I use this to snip is because it'll give me a better cut opposed to pliers. If I use my pliers, the wires are going to be all mangled, and I don't really need that. So I usually use this type of cutters to cut bigger cable. There's also this is called a ratchet cutter that I will use to basically cut my cable also. It's very efficient. That's in the open position. I basically put my cable into this slot and I wrench it down, and I go ahead and I start cutting away. Also, as you guys come in, you can like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. There's also a torquing wrench on this, so that's why I torque. Oh, Ed, Lord. Oh, Ed, how you going, Ed? Good morning, Sophia. Thanks for tuning in. I'm just doing my tie-ins for my main right now, as you can see. So I've opened up the chat, and you guys can leave a comment or you can pose a question while I work away. From time to time, I'll be looking at my video while I'm working. So this is very handy to have as an Allen key. I basically got this when I was doing a service job from one of the hydro guys, and this basically came in handy for me ever since. I mostly use it. It's, like you see, it's good for the wrist. And I do have another set, which is these ones here, but I try not to use them. Obviously, it's a bigger one in here, so if I can't use this, then I'll go ahead and use this, and I'll use my pliers essentially to tighten up my lugs. There's also a code rule on how you should tighten up your lugs. It's in the code book. There is a code rule for everything basically that we have to follow. Also, as you can see, I tuck my wires in the back side. I don't want them to be touching any other part of the panel or even close to where I have to tie in my mains. So for that reason, I usually start off with my ground wires, tuck them on the back side, and I keep going.